Viscosity graded asphalt proficiency samples 271 and 272 are currently being processed and packaged for shipping. The samples will be shipped to you on March 30th, 2023. Upon receipt, carefully open the box and check to see if the samples were damaged in shipment or if they are missing a component. The box will contain two 1-quart cans of liquid asphalt. The material is an unmodified asphalt with a performance grade of PG64-22. Please treat these samples as you would treat typical testing samples that were brought into your laboratory. Finally, all pertinent information such as sample instructions, data sheets, and safety data sheets can be found on the AASHTO resource website in the Data Sheets and Instructions page. Thank you for your continued commitment to quality, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.